So we noticed this rear trailer tire was low at our last fuel stop. We filled it up with our power tank, got on the road, and just a couple miles down we decided to check it again just to see what's going on, and it indeed has a puncture. So we're off in a safe spot, and we found the culprit here. Looks like a nail or something, and we're gonna fix this tire.
So I don't lose air, or I try to save as much air as I can. I like to get everything prepped before I pull that nail out. So I gotta get some lube on this, and that's gonna help me get it into the needle. So I get it through that needle. Just get my pliers that are in the kit. Go halfway. Now, in order to get it into that hole, I'm gonna have to pull the nail out, and then I gotta ream the hole. A lot of times I'm actually having to increase the size of the wound, the hole. Otherwise I won't get the plug in, so that's why I have to do this. As I pull it out, I gotta watch that angle, because I gotta follow that angle down that hole. Sometimes the nail comes in sideways, sometimes it goes straight in. This is kind of at an angle. You can kind of see the angle. That's the angle I'm gonna have to follow. I'm gonna put the reamer in. Okay. Like that. I'm going to have to go back and push it from the back. I think it'd be easier so I can push against the ground. Yeah, I need more lube. So, got it in halfway, and then I want to cut that excess off because I don't want it catching the road or anything, especially if I'm on the trail. I don't want that to catch while I'm maybe spinning a tire on a rock and then pull it back out. So now it's all flush and it's done. You got right now 43. I want to get up to 65, or well, I'll go 60, 68. It's just a warmed up tire, huh? 69, that's good. Okay.